Our product quick joint fastener is often used for the plumbing connection in the household equipments. However, quick joint fastener is used not only in the water heater but also in other places. For example, our original product crown is used in the connection of plumbing junction. Crown has some features like it cannot be unlocked easily by locking mechanism. It does not interfere with surroundings because the diameter size is very small. Quick joint fastener with resin cover is used at the plumbing in the toilet. The advantages of quick joint fastener with resin cover are that it is very safe because it is covered with resin cover. It does not interfere with surroundings because the diameter is very small. This is the flow of attachment of quick joint fastener. It is very easy and quick. We have a lot of product lineup of quick joint fastener and they can be customized.
Thanks for watching the video of our product. As a custom-made product, crown and cover can be adjusted to various sizes and shapes depending on your needs. This is the detail of our product. So if you are interested in our products, don't hesitate to ask us.